Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video we are going to discuss about website versus web apps. While the terms website and web apps are often used interchangeably, they represent distinct concepts with different purpose and functionalities. Website purpose primarily deliver information and content. Functionality static or dynamic display of text, images, videos, and other media. Interaction limited user interaction, usually focus on navigation and content consumption. Examples news portals, blogs, online portfolios, e commerce stores, web apps. Purpose to provide interactive online application and services. Functionality dynamic content, data manipulation, user authentication and complex workflows. Interaction high level of user interaction, often involving data input, processing and output. Example online banking, email client, social media platform, cloud storage services. Key difference features website and web apps. Features purpose website information delivery, web apps interactive application. Functionality static or dynamic content, dynamic content data processing, user interaction limited, high. Complexity relatively simple, complex. Examples news site, blogs, online banking, social media. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.